Hi everyone, my name is Grace and this is Training with Grace Yoga. Today we're going to do yoga for the best hip openers. I'm really excited to take you guys through this. In our bodies, our hips are the place that store all of the negative and unwanted emotion that our body brings in. So I'm really excited to show these stretches and poses to you so that you can do them and hopefully release physical stress from your body as well. So when you're ready, meet me on your mat. Today we're going to begin in Supta Baddha Konasana, recline bound angle pose. Make your way to lying down on your back and then bring the palms of your feet together and send your knees out wide like a butterfly. Bring your right hand to your belly and your left hand to your heart and just close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Just flow with your breath as you make every inhale and exhale a little bit longer. And take a mental scan of your body from head to toe and notice where it is that you're holding on to tension in your body. As we flow through this today, with every exhale in the poses that we're doing, I want you to try to release any tension that you might be holding on to in your legs, in your back, in your arms, your chest. So take a deep breath in, expand your belly out with air. And exhale, press all the air out and let go of tension. Good, do that again. The more that you can release the tension that you're holding on to subconsciously, the more you're going to benefit from all of these stretches that we're moving through. Take another deep inhale. Fill up your ribcage with air. And a deep exhale. Press all of the air out. One more breath, just like that. Inhale. And exhale. Bring your palms to the outside edges of your knees and very softly close your legs up like a book and then hug your knees into your chest, giving your legs a squeeze. Take a deep breath in and exhale, Jathara Parivartanasana, supine twist. Drop your knees to the left side of your body. Try to situate your legs however you need so that you can let go. I don't want you to be holding on to any tension in your hip flexors or your thighs. Just try to let that go. If your legs want to straighten a little bit, that's okay. Find what feels good for you. Take a deep breath in and a deep exhale. Take another deep breath in. Exhale, let go of any tension. 2 more breaths just like that. Inhale. And exhale. Last breath. Inhale. Exhale. Very gently come back to center. Squeeze your legs to neutralize your spine. Take a deep breath in. And exhale, twist to the right side. Again, just situate your legs however you need. It's important that you feel good in this flow. With every exhale, release the tension that you're holding on to, allowing your legs to fall where they will. Take a deep breath in. And a deep exhale. Take another deep breath in. And a deep exhale. Let go of tension. 2 more breaths just like that. Inhale through your nose. And exhale, pressing all the air out. Last deep breath in. Fill up the front and back of your ribcage with air. And exhale. Good. Very gently bring your legs back to center. Hug your knees into your chest, giving your legs a squeeze. And then bring your hands behind your knees. Rock and roll 2 or 3 times until you're up in a seated position. Great. Once you make your way to a seat, extend your legs out long. Lift your biceps up by your ears, and then tuck your left foot into your right thigh. If you need to use your hands, you can, whatever feels best for you. Take a deep breath in, lift your arms up, gently shift towards your extended leg, and exhale, Janusirsasana, gently fold forward and down. You can grab your toes, you can just rest your hands beside you. Find what makes you feel good in this pose. Maybe if you're not used to this posture, you're gonna feel the stretch in a couple different places, or it might not be totally comfortable yet, but it's really important just to stick with it and to ease your way into it. Remember that always during yoga, discomfort is okay, pain is never okay. So if you ever feel pain, maybe in your knees or your back while you're doing a yoga pose, that's a clear sign to back off of it, all right? Take a deep breath in, back off the stretch a little bit. Exhale, sink down. 2 more breaths just like that. Inhale, lift up a little bit. Exhale, sink down. Last breath, inhale, lift up. Exhale, sink. Inhale, rise up with your biceps up by your ears. Extend your left foot out and then tuck your right foot in. Remember, if you need to use your hands, you can. Whatever feels best for you. Lift your biceps up by your ears. Take a deep breath in. Gently shift towards your extended leg and exhale, Janusirsasana on the left side. Just gonna take a few rounds of breath here as we sink into this posture. Inhale, back off the stretch. Exhale, sink down. Inhale, back off just a bit. Exhale, sink. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, sink down. Try to let go of any tension. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, sink. One more time. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, sink down. Inhale, rise up and extend your right leg out. And then wiggle out your legs and let your arms dangle down. Now we're gonna make our way to lying down on our backs. Once you come to lying down on your back, hug your knees into your chest. Take a deep breath in. And exhale, Ananda Balasana, happy baby. Send the palms of your feet to the sky. Capture the backs of your feet. You can grab your calves or your thighs, whatever feels best for you. It's just important that you feel good during this flow. From here, make sure that your tailbone is sealed down your yoga mat rather than lifted up off of the earth. All right, so really try to seal your tailbone down. You have the option to gently sway side to side for a low back massage if that feels good. If you'd like to take the stretch even deeper, you can bend and straighten one leg at a time for a deeper stretch in your hamstrings. Just continue to take those deep inhales and deep exhales. Stay here for 2 more rounds of breath. Good. 1 more cycle of breath. And then hug your knees in your chest on your exhale. Give your legs a good squeeze. And then the hands behind your knees. Rock and roll all the way up to a seated position. And if you can, pass yourself through to tabletop, all right? Come to seated on your knees. Now we're gonna move into Balasana, child's pose. If you really have tight hips, you can keep your knees together, or if you'd like to play around with getting a little bit deeper into the stretch, you can extend your knees out wide. Now you can bring your legs out as wide as you want to. The wider they are, the more you're gonna feel the stretch in your hips and your hip flexors. So find the position that feels good for you. Take a deep breath in. And exhale, crawl your fingertips forward as you bring your forehead down to your yoga mat. Take a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Take another deep inhale. And a deep exhale. Just continue your breath like that. Try to relax all the muscles in your body as we just fold into this passive child's pose, allowing your muscles to sink down into your mat. Clear any chatter from your mind and just focus on your breath. Baby, what's the time?
10 minutes sharp.
Oh, hell yeah. Okay. Take another deep breath in. And a deep exhale. Good. And then very gently press yourself up to tabletop, bringing your knees in. And then have a seat. Thank you so much for taking time to do your yoga with me today. I really hope that you enjoyed these hip stretches and that they were able to help you. I'd love to know what you thought about the video, so please leave me comments down below and let me know what you thought or what you'd like to see in the future. And if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and definitely share this video with a friend. If you would like to access my longer yoga videos, you can find the directions in the description of this video. Thanks for flowing with me, everybody. Namaste. Just try to release all of that in our You're gonna tuck your right leg in. That's not my right leg. If this is uncomfortable for your knee, feel free to why?